So I joined the TikTok Shop Bootcamp, and it's been about 30 days now, and I want to show you what's been going on in these last 30 days. But more so, I just want you to really see just how much success is being had here and just how much of a benefit and blessing this could be for you. So check this out.
I want to be able to start this off by just sharing some wins. Cindy says, I sold 6 items on my live. Let's go. Jawan had 6 sales last night. Congratulations on that. Jeffrey just got another account into Pilot. Let's go. Zenobia made my first sale this week on my new account. Cindy's been getting a bunch of samples. Marcus got first sale on Sunday. Leah's got samples coming in. Rico got my first sale yesterday from a shoppable video. Michael got 8 accounts over 5K. 4 of them in full creator, 1 more full creator by tomorrow, making some sales. Let's go, Michael. Christy says, did my first product live and got a sale. Got a second account to 1,000. On Saturday, I generated over $1,000 in commissions on a single live stream without a break. And then on Sunday, I generated another $1,000 in commissions on a single live stream without a break. Combined, roughly $2,500 in commissions, $1,500 in commissions in a single day. I brought receipts, 139 orders. So 139 products purchased, last 7 days on this account, $8,700. Now you're gonna be able to start unlocking samples. Click to open that up and you're gonna see all these samples. So for example, here's Ari Super Mushroom Daily Gummies, $40 value, free. You're just gonna hit that request and open button right there. It's gonna open this page in TikTok. Just gonna bring it up just like this right here. When you request the samples directly from companies, they often don't approve them. But when you request to an affiliate partner, we're able to make sure you're an active member and that you're qualified to receive the sample. So you'll just fill out this, you'll click it, you'll choose this sample that we're giving you right here. You'll press request free sample, submit, and it's gonna show you like this, request submitted. Okay, so she's already at $22,000 with, I think 7 days left or something like that, 8 days left. So she's pacing right now to make pacing to make $30,000. This is profit. This is how much in sales she's made. That's the retail number, 80,000 in sales. But then on top of this, she's getting a retainer. So she's getting $3,000 a week retainer on top of that. So that's $12,000 on top of this number right here. So it ends up being around $40,000 this month. So she's gonna have a $30,000 screenshot off this account. Just some examples right here. $200 a video, post a video of guava leaf, but it's not just 200. This brand's offering 220% commissions to make this video. There's $200. There's another example. There's another example. Kimley Park, Blooming Tea, Calm Glow stuff. So these are basically either $100, $150, $200, all the way even $300. These are called mission invites. So these brands are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for videos. A lot of MLMers, they just spam their feeds, getting people to join from program to program to program. What, you really got time to go babysit a group of adults who need you to hold their hand to build a little downline? Once they come here, they go, oh my God, I'm gonna sink my teeth in, this is real money. Here's an example of somebody that I did MLM with, okay? Candace Bird. Some of you might even know her, right? 74,000 followers, 1.6. So last year, she just decided, I'm burnt out on MLM and I wanna do TikTok shop like you guys. And then boom, here we go. And look, 117,000 views here on the Ninja, 77,000 views here on Snipe Set, 411,000 here on this Ninja. There's the bows, there's the stuff. She's just out here, just doing it. Sure she is, just sitting by her pool, talk about her shoes. This is the life. It's a lot more refreshing, just chilling. Now this was a grinder. This was a 7-figure network marketer who left network marketing to just chill and just do videos like this all the time. She's one of the top affiliates for Crocs, by the way. Not only does she do these videos and make 6 figures from the videos, she also makes 6 figures from the lives. She's making bank. I know there's some amazing soap and vitamins out there that cost $400 and they pay you $8 a sale. But we also have some amazing soap and vitamins here that pay you 30% per sale plus bonuses. And it happens passively from strangers on the internet without talking to your friends. I like network marketing. I'm just saying, once you start doing this, it's gonna be hard to do network marketing because you realize, why would I spam my wall trying to get people into a life insurance deal or tell people about a travel club or tell people about a crypto thing where somebody's gonna rug it in a couple months and they're just gonna hate me anyways? Why would I do all that and just look bad when I could just literally just share value, show them how to actually get things for free, show them how to actually create their own business and actually be part of something that makes sense logically and works, and something where they don't have to talk to all their friends. They could just have strangers on the internet buy without even ever, and you can do it all faceless and voiceless if you want. If you ask her, Candace, what do you like better? Multi-level marketing or TikTok marketing? She'll tell you, run, don't walk, run. from multi-level marketing. Go to TikTok Shop. It's just so much fun.
Hey, shout out to Candace. Are you gonna be the next one to make history? Are you gonna be the next one to retire from network marketing, MLM altogether? So do you see the benefit now and what we got here? I mean, we are crushing it, and the thing about it is, no one's left behind. No more of this, some people making it, some people not. Everybody's winning here. We have a blueprint to follow. If you follow that blueprint, then you're gonna have the same success as everyone else. It might not happen at the same time, and your success will rely upon the work that you put in. But I promise you this, you put in that work, then you're gonna have success. That's a fact. So what more needs to be said than let's get this money like a boss.